Hello and welcome to the Lowe's Creator Community Getting Started webinar. I'm Brittany and I'll be walking you through how to make the most out of your participation in the Lowe's Creator community. Let's get started. In this webinar, we'll provide a high-level overview of the program, we'll tell you how to get started, help you set up your account and your storefront, offer different ways for you to earn, and then what you do after you set everything up. We are an affiliate-based community with a multi-tiered structure set up to support you at every stage of your content journey. As you advance within the community, you'll unlock additional incentives and bonus opportunities. You can qualify for flat fee campaigns, sponsorships, exclusive access to events and private sessions, and our brand new Lowe's Creator Summit. Now, most importantly, how do you earn in the program? Creators can earn up to 20% commission on any sales generated through their affiliate links, which you can create in your Lowe's dashboard. These links can be posted directly to your social media channels or curated through your dedicated Lowe's storefront. All affiliate links have an industry-leading 30-day cookie window, meaning that any sales generated for any products at Lowe's, even ones you might not have linked to directly, will offer you a commission. As a community member, you'll be the first to hear of and the first to be able to apply for any extra earning opportunities. Benefits of the community include the 20% commission on most products, excluding lumber and appliances, and the industry-leading cookie window that we just talked about, quarterly revenue bonus, which is the chance to earn a cash bonus on top of your commission by hitting quarterly revenue targets through your affiliate links, a tiered incentive structure. The more you participate, the more opportunities are going to unlock for you. Product sample opportunities for you to test out Lowe's products and promote them on your social media channels. Additional campaign support, including dedicated Lowe's support for any of your needs, and coaching support via educational webinars and with our agency partners. As we just discussed, there are a few things that make our program different from other creator networks out there. The first being commissionable links and storefronts. You'll be able to generate commissionable links and showcase any product recommendations through your Lowe's storefront directly integrated into the Lowe's website. Make sure you put your Lowe's storefront in your link in bio or tag them directly in any social media stories that you post. We have competitive commissions up to 20%. We have an industry-leading 30-day cookie window. You'll have the opportunity to apply for product samples to be able to test, build content, and promote different products from Lowe's and try them out. We provide educational resources. You'll have access to tips, tutorials, best practices for home improvement, and content monetization that you won't be able to get anywhere else but on our Creator Hub. You'll have exclusive opportunities. Our top creators are going to be able to unlock special bonus incentives, including the opportunity to have your home improvement projects fully funded by Lowe's. Additional perks might include merchandising collaborations and VIP events like our brand new annual Lowe's Creator Summit in Las Vegas. And you'll be able to access exclusive top influencer master course with Chris Loves Julia. You'll be able to learn directly from the masters themselves and learn their different strategies that are proven to drive sales and increase your commission with no cost to you. Here are some key terms that you might see come up time and again while in the Lowe's Creator community. The first being the Lowe's Creator Hub. This is going to be your one-stop shop for your link generation, any creator resources, support, content guidelines, tips and tricks, seasonal and promotional promos, anything else. This is going to be the first place that you go to check any new and upcoming information that might be going out to the whole program. The next being an affiliate link. This is going to be your unique URL that tracks traffic or sales as you drive to the Lowe's website. When someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you're going to be able to earn a commission. Your Lowe's storefront is going to centralize and streamline all of your affiliate links in one place. If you're redoing your bathroom, get all of the products that you're using from Lowe's, make affiliate links, and put them in a gallery in your Lowe's storefront. Then you can take your storefront link, put it in your link in bio, so all of your different projects and all your different products that you love from Lowe's are in one place for your community. Creator IQ. This is going to be the platform that you go to in order to access all of your affiliate links, the Lowe's Creator Hub, your storefront, and everything in between. This is going to be where you go for any reporting, content tracking, and like I said, most importantly, where you're going to create those affiliate links. Let's dive a little deeper in the Lowe's Creator Hub. This is your go-to resource center and is designed to support you during every aspect of your journey within the Lowe's Creator community. Here's where you're going to find all of your tips and tricks, all of your promotions, all of your seasonal information, but most importantly, the two key tools that you're going to use within the Lowe's Creator Hub are your link generator and your storefront. Your link generator is going to be found on your dashboard, and there's also a tab called Link Generator. This is where you'll take a URL from Lowe's, Copy and paste it into your link generator, and an affiliate link will pop out for you to copy and paste and use in any of your content. For maximum impact, be sure to add every product you promote to your Lowe storefront. The storefront you can also create within the Lowe's Creator Hub, and it's going to be all of your products for every project that you're doing, all in one place in one gallery. Include your storefront in your social platform bios for extra visibility. If you haven't already, here's how you're going to set up your Lowe's Creator profile. You can scan this QR code here and it'll take you directly to the application and to the sign-in page. First, you're going to confirm your contact information, your mailing address, and your payment information are all correct. This is going to ensure that you receive all the program information and opportunities. We send a lot of opportunities in our weekly newsletter, and we put them in our Creator Hub, and if you're not getting that information, you might miss out on an opportunity. Make sure you connect your social channels in the Lowe's Creator Hub. Authenticate your social media accounts to ensure that your content is captured. And this way we'll be able to capture all of the analytics so we know which tier that you fall into in the creator community. This will also be how you unlock opportunities for additional compensation. Next, make sure you add your payment information. From any cash bonuses to flat fee campaigns to product allowances, here's how you're going to set up your payment details and make sure that you can continue to get paid. Now let's take a moment and walk through how to set up your storefront. First, you're going to log into your Lowe's Creator account. Head to lowes.com/creator and make sure you log in, and if you don't have an account already, you can sign up there. Then you're going to navigate to the Creator storefront. In your dashboard or on the tab to the side, you can go ahead and click on Storefront. Then it'll pull up your storefront. You'll be asked to check your details that have been auto-populated, and you can change your profile picture and your bio information, and then just click that Save button. Then you're going to be redirected to your storefront dashboard. After you log in, the dashboard will be an empty list. Here is where you're going to create your collections. So first, click on Add New Collection. Now is the fun part. You're going to choose any photo or video that best fits the collection that you're going to promote. This can be a bathroom renovation, a patio refresh, and make sure you add a photo that's going to capture your audience. You can skip this step and create a collection without a picture, but just know that it might result in lower sales. Then you're going to select your products. Your list will be blank unless you have already created links using the link generator. You can add more products by clicking the Add Products button at the top. Then it's going to redirect you to lowes.com. Navigate to your product, copy and paste that URL, and then click Save and Close. Only use direct links to products in your storefront. You'll see that the products are loading, and then afterwards, they'll pop up and you can click on the images that you want to feature in your collection. Now, add a description that best represents what your collection is going to be about, and click Next. Last step, name your collection. What you're naming it is going to be public facing, so be sure to grab your followers' attention. You can edit your name at any time, but the URL is created based off your initial collection name, so that cannot be edited later. And then once you're done, hit publish. Take a moment and review this guideline that we put together to help you get started. First, after you set up your profile, connect your social channels, authenticate your social channels, and add your payment information, make sure you watch our Affiliate 101 series. Then get to know our terms and conditions and our FAQs. Afterwards, make sure you're following Lowe's Creator on Instagram. Make sure you review our program guidelines, which include the community guidelines, the content guidelines, and the FTC regulations. Get to know program benefits. This includes Lowe's projects, your quarterly bonus incentive, the Lowe's Finds product sample request form. Create your first Lowe's affiliate link. Share your Lowe's affiliate link with your community. And make sure you're including your storefront link in your link in bio. Let's talk about how we keep you in the loop. First, Instagram. If you haven't already, head to Instagram and follow the Lowe's Creator account. This is where we have new posts weekly about upcoming promotions, any seasonal drops, trending Lowe's Finds products, community news. Here you can DM us if you have a question and somebody will reach out to support you. Make sure you also tag us in any of the content that you post for a chance to be featured. Next is the Creator newsletter. This is going to be delivered every week or as needed. This is where campaigns, events, promotions, upcoming incentives, any Lowe's project or opportunities that you might qualify for and be able to apply for, tips, tricks, education, it'll all be in your inbox once a week. Finally, the Creator Hub. This will be any of the information that's not featured in the newsletter or on the Instagram can be found, or if anything needs to be expanded on, it can be found there. Any of the products and item numbers and anything that you might need for any upcoming promotions like Black Friday or Halloween that's featured in the newsletter or on the Instagram, you'll be able to find more information and the dates on that in the Creator Hub. This will be your one source of truth. This is also, like we mentioned, where you find your storefront, your link generator, and where we'll have any sort of operational changes or any improvements, they'll be featured there. Here's how you're going to navigate the Creator Hub and what you can expect to find in each of the tabs. First, dashboard. This is going to be your starting point. This is the easiest way for you to be able to create your affiliate links. Then campaigns. Any and all campaigns that you're a part of will be here, but the main campaign you'll be creating links in is the Lowe's Creator Community. Messages. Here you can ask any and all questions about the campaigns that you're in or any other questions about the community that you have. You can also email creator@lowes.com to speak directly with our team. We usually take about 24 to 48 hours to respond back. Affiliate link generation. This is another place where you can create all of your affiliate links. Storefront generation. Click here and you can access your storefront and edit it. And resources. This is going to be the bulk of where you spend your time other than the affiliate link tab. All educational resources, FAQs, community guidelines, seasonal and promotional, all of that information will live here, and this is the tab that's going to get updated the most. Let's talk about how you can get the most out of your storefront with some tips and tricks. First, share your storefront link. Drive traffic and earn commissions by promoting your unique affiliate links across all of your social platforms and your posts, videos, stories, blogs, and more. Label collections clearly and consistently. Use descriptive labels, eye-catching photos, focus on themes, focus on your rooms and projects, and then showcase the different products, types, or categories. Include a clear call to action. Encourage your audience to take an action. Shop the link in my bio, shop my favorite picks. Use on-screen text and verbal cues. Reinforce your call to action by guiding your audience with text overlays or saying it directly in your content. Leverage DM automation tools. Use automation services to send DMs with affiliate links directly to your audience and increase your post engagement in the process. Promote buy online and pick up in store. Ensure you're receiving credit for purchases made through your affiliate links by sharing with your audience that you can still purchase things online and pick them up at their local Lowe's. Repurpose existing content. Reuse your past content and use your affiliate links again and again. Save them to your Instagram highlights and keep your affiliate link visible in your bio. You never know who might be coming back and just finding your content for the first time. Stay compliant and transparent with your audience. Tell them exactly what went right and what went wrong. Reshare your links time and time again. Answer people's questions when they're curious about your project. This will all get them to go to your storefront and buy from your affiliate links and engage in your content. The easiest way to start earning is by sharing your affiliate links. Affiliate links are going to allow you to, number one, make money. Number two, they're going to tell your audience where to find and buy the products that you promote. For you, it's going to help you learn which products resonate more with your audience and which ones your audience buys by using the analytics in the Creator Hub. And it's how we can track sales performance and calculate commissions and bonus incentives for all of the commission that you earn through creating and sharing your products. The more you use Lowe's affiliate links, the better your chances of qualifying for a bonus opportunity within the program. Make sure you follow some of these best practices when sharing affiliate links. Know which platforms allow for linking within the platform versus which platforms do not. Instagram and TikTok do not allow you to link directly in the caption, but affiliate links can best be used in blog posts, newsletters, social media bios, Instagram stories with the button, Instagram direct messages. Use an automated DM service to have your links directly sent to your audience, pin reels and any new content to extend your earning potential, encourage people to leave comments, save and share your content, and include the buy online and pick up in store option. When it comes to creating content for the Lowe's Creator Community, here are some easy tips and tricks for you to follow. First, create a story. Anytime you think about starting a new project or promoting a new product, think about how your followers would want to follow along from the beginning of your journey all through the end. You can show the full Lowe's experience, from shopping in store, picking up any of your products, using the products, the finished look, mood boards, ideas. Show the entire journey, and every time you show content about this project, make sure to use your affiliate link. The second is to remain authentic to you. Your followers follow you for a reason, and we're here to help you with your journey. Anytime you create new content, make sure it's in line with what you already create and that it's true to who you are. Next, include a clear call to action. Anytime you post a piece of content, tell your followers exactly what you want them to do. Check out a product here, shop your favorite finds here. You can also use DM automation tools and send people a link directly in their DMs. But every time you post a piece of content, make sure you're very clear with the action you want them to take. Maybe most important of all, include all of your affiliate links everywhere you can on your social media platforms. This includes link in bio, any new pieces of content, stories, feed posts, however you can on any different platform. Put that same link in there so you can make sure that you're getting commission. Make sure you're following any FTC requirements. You can check out the latest requirements in the Creator Hub and our terms and conditions, but anytime you're posting, make sure you're following the correct requirements. Otherwise, you might be liable to be removed from the program. And last, safety. Anytime you're posting any content or promoting any products, make sure you're following the correct safety requirements and PPE protocols. You can check your performance at any time by going to the Creator Hub and looking under Dashboard. On your dashboard, on the bottom right-hand side, you'll see your stats. You can click View All Stats, and it will give you a high-level overview of all of your stats so far and how you're performing in the creator community. If you want any deeper insights into see how each of your affiliate links are performing, go to the Creator Dashboard and view My Link Performance under the Lowe's Creator Community Program and see how much sales and revenue that specific link drove. It's important to stay up to date with your analytics to see which products and which content resonates best with your audience. And if one thing isn't working, you can tweak it and try something else. Additionally, eligibility for future incentives and bonus opportunities are determined by analytics by the Lowe's Creator team. Thanks for joining us today. If we didn't answer your question, you can check out our complete list of FAQs on the Creator Hub under Resources. But if you need any additional support, you can always contact us at creator@lowes.com. Stay tuned for any upcoming educational webinars that you can sign up for, and we can't wait to see what you're going to create.